Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Teen Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Alpha release date announced. Alia Bhatt, Bobby Deol, Sharibari's spy thriller to be out in cinemas on 10th July 2026. The wait is finally over. Alia Bhatt-led spy thriller is finally releasing in July. The upcoming installment of the YRP spy universe also stars Anil Kapoor, Bobby Deol, and Sharwari, while Navneen Kaur updated on 9th March 2026. After much waiting, Alia Bhatt's Let's Play trailer is finally got its release date. The upcoming installment of the YRF Spy universe is set to make its big screen debut on 10 July 2026, making the official announcement. The makers dropped on intriguing poster with the letter A check it out. Alpha release date announced. Alia Bhatt and Sharwari have joined the acclaimed YRF universe with their upcoming space thriller Alpha. It is the first female thriller of the franchise, which includes movies like Ek Tha Tiger War and Pathaan minutes ago. The makers announced the official release date by dropping a captivating poster. Directed by Shiv Raval and produced by Aditya Chopra, Alpha will make its big screen debut on 10th July 2026. Anil Kapoor and Bobby Deol will join the female leads in the upcoming entertainer. The movie is penned by an impressive group of screenwriters, including Shrinder Rakman, Shiv Raval, and Ishita Moitra. Earlier, Alpha was released in cinema on 17 April 2026. Since it was looking horns with Salman Khan's Battle of Galwan, industry insiders speculated that the filmmaker would be looking at a new date, with the makers now banking on July. Fans assume this is the second and final time the film's release will be postponed. Alpha marks the seventh installment in the YRF Spy universe. Earlier, a source told E-Times that Alia and Sharwari will feature in a star-studded special song and will be seen in a never-before-seen avatar. The insider told the publication both Alia and Sharwari were excited about the song. It's big and breathtaking. The idea was always to have a visually stunning, high-energy song featuring the two female leads in an action-packed environment, and it's shaping up exactly like that. The movie already has an impressive ensemble cast, but the film will also see Hrithik Roshan making a special appearance in the actioner, as exclusively reported by Pinkvela. Hrithik as Agent Kabir is ready for a crossover in Alpha. A trusted source informed the actor is excited as this would mark the first ever crossover of his character in the YRF Spy universe. He plays the part of Alia Bhatt and Sharwari's mentor as a long-term plan of the universe. For more updates, stay tuned to Pink Villa. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice